Deco Childcare has centers in Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Apple Valley. But not for long. The state is yanking the company's licenses. An investigation by the Department of Human Services found a long list of violations. Among them, staff unqualified to work with children, their training records falsified. Some never had background checks. In this notice to Deco's owner, Yasmin Ali, regulators say it's impossible to trust that documents or records prepared by the center are reliable or accurate.
A lot of the information we received was false, misleading, or there was information withheld that was very relevant to our being able to determine whether or not some basic health and safety requirements were being met by these child care providers.
The Fox 9 investigators first revealed trouble with Deco earlier this year.
It's all about getting that public money.
This former office manager and other former workers told us Deco had a very lucrative business plan. Find low-income women who qualified for taxpayer-funded child care assistance, offer them jobs to work at the centers, and then bill the government for watching their kids.
On a biweekly basis, it was anywhere between $50,000 and $75,000 at one center.
Just one?
Just one.
And they had two, and now they've got three.
That's correct.
It's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money.
Our whistleblower says most of the moms who were hired really didn't do anything. Deco, she says, just wanted to enroll as many low-income children as possible to maximize the amount of public money the centers could collect.
She's not keeping accurate records. The children may or may not be in the building.
Yasmin Ali, Deco's owner, has denied falsifying billing records.
That is not true.
But there's an active criminal investigation underway by Ramsey County. In addition to all the funding for child care, Deco was also getting public money to pay for kids' meals. Yasmin Ali hired her brothers to do the catering. One of them, Adarus Ali, is now in federal prison because of his ties to a terrorism pipeline to send young men to fight in the Somali civil war. Deco has until July 8th to challenge its license revocation. Yasmin Ali has not responded to our attempts to contact her for comment. I'm Fox 9 investigator Jeff Ballion.